horses out here, Ming City. Past the begin, moving a party out. So now is Music King. In the hay, in between horses, then comes Da Vinci. Lucky Pine, then Royal Biba is the early trailer. We have Ming City and Music King is on the outside second. Da Vinci is racing in third, Alang back in fourth in the hay. Lucky Pine in fifth, and a long way back to Royal Biba. And going along for the first turn, Ming City by Alenka. Music King now trying to get closer in second, Da Vinci in third. In the hay, still in fourth, then followed by Lucky Pine. And Royal Biba still racing in last. That's still Ming City by about half Alenka. And on the outside is Music King. Da Vinci remains in third. In the hay, still in fourth. Then comes Lucky Pine. Then Royal Biba. Ming City by Aralang. Da Vinci now coming closer in second. Down on the inside. Music King alongside third. Then comes in the hay. Royal Biba and Lucky Pine. Ming City by only half a length. Music King is on the outside. Down on the inside. Da Vinci in the hay in fourth. As they come down to the last 150, Ming City, Music King is on the outside, in the hay, moving a party outside. Ming City in the hay, Music King in between horses. It's now in the hay by Avalalenka. And in second, Music King, Ming City. And finally, in the hay, second, Music King, Ming City, close, Da Vinci, Lucky Pine, and Royal Biba.
4, 5, 2, 3.
Right? Pero trifecta lang eh, no? So, 4-5-2.